can't wait on other people to be what you've been called to be. You can't wait on their affirmation. You can't wait on their approval. You can't wait on their support. Sometimes you just got to run and look behind you and say, everybody who wants to run, run, but I can't stop running because you're not running with me. Listen to me, hear me. You can't stop chasing your dream just because somebody in your life won't chase it with you. You can't stop believing in yourself just because somebody in your life won't believe in you. You can't stop chasing the dreams of your life just because when you do it, you're going to have to do it all by yourself.
In terms of wake-up spots, that's not bad, is it? That is not bad at all. Oh. So the plan is, I'm going to get back on this in a minute and go to Anson, which is the other side of the lake, and go have another look in the town because I only had my phone yesterday and I want to take some photos and show you around properly. It's so nice, it's so bloody nice. I'm so behind on the videos as well. I got like 3 days worth of footage, but I'll be honest, I've been having too much fun. So if I've got the choice to sit in there for 3-4 hours editing video, or jump on that and go ride around the French Alps, yeah, you can probably imagine what I'm gonna do.
Oh God, damn, you made me feel sweet. And if I'm losing my mind, would you lose yours with me? You made me wanna melt like butter in the pan. It's hard to keep my cool knowing I'm your man, so let's spend some time wasting it away. Your love is like music, you went and changed the game. We're breaking all the rules, our side signs don't matter. Trying to prove I'm with you. I'm gonna miss you. We'll hate to see you go. Wish time could just go slow. Will truly dim my heart, but it's only time apart. And in no time we gon' be right back. Right by my side like a monkey on my back. It's been a ride, long years. I guess you need to know you're right.
I don't care if it's 1,000 days away.
Right everyone, I just had one last dip in the lake before I go. So I need to head back to Chamonix now. Got this job tomorrow, so it's a bit weird, isn't it? Work on holiday. Can't say no to extra money. I probably won't film that much though, because you know it's at someone's house, so it's obviously private, ain't it? I don't want to be posting their stuff all over the internet. It's a great little spot, ain't it? Out the back door into the lake. It's warm as well. The water is refreshing, but it's warm. Nice. Oh, I just had the funniest experience. Oh my god. So basically, I was boxed in, yeah. So I had a van in front, van behind. I couldn't get out, so I had to ask one of them. Bear in mind, like my French is very, very, very limited. So I assumed they were French. I just went. Well, I can basically say like, "Hello, do you speak English?" Basically, I said that to them, and they were like, "A little bit." I was just trying to ask them if they could reverse a bit, just so I could get out. So I was doing that, and it weren't working. They didn't understand. So I got the Google Translate out on my phone. I was doing it, trying to speak to them. I was like, "Well, what the bloody hell's going on there then?" I just like doing it really simple, and they still couldn't understand. So I was like, "Eh?" And then he goes, "Oh, Netherlands." They weren't even flipping French. I'm there trying to talk on the translator in French, and they're flipping from the Netherlands. So I found it, scrolled down, and I found it on there, and put it in. He's like, "Oh, yeah." You know, I was there for about 10 minutes trying to speak to him in French. Should have looked at the number plate. So stupid. But yeah, I'm on the way back to Chamonix now anyway for this thing, so it's a bit of a slog, about an hour and a half. How far was this? Fuck. 20 to 10, 70k. Bloody Nora. I need to keep an eye on the sat nav actually, because I tell you what, on the way here it didn't have to take me up some dodgy road. Like normally, if I hadn't have had that experience in Switzerland, I'd have been like, "Oh, you turn round." Let's get on with it, shall we? Back on the road again. Every time I fill up my juice down here, I have to smash a load of it, dragging up this hill. Oh, that's a nice view though. Just had a little drink with my friend, and now it is time to call it a night, because early start tomorrow. I'm on holiday and I got a job. Oh well, make some money so we can travel further. So yeah, I shall see you all tomorrow.